Hi, Jeff Halo here with Halo Inc. Today, a quick tutorial on how to use our key machine. Whenever we need new keys for our building, we just cut our own instead of going out and paying for them. So the first thing we're going to do is get this guy plugged in. It's already plugged in. Next thing, there's a little knob underneath here. That's just the release knob. You pull that back and it allows you to bring this down and set it. Okay. Now, we're going to make sure both of our blocks are on standard because we're just cutting standard keys. They do make wide keys and they make narrow keys, so there are other settings for these blocks, but for right now we just want to be on standard. So I'm going to loosen the block up. I'm going to take my key, I'm going to set it in here just like this and go ahead and tighten it down. And there's actually a stop on it so you can see where it rolls up. So I'm just taking it baseline into there to the stop and tightening it down. I'm going to take my blank key on the second side, do the exact same thing, take it to the bottom, tighten it down. Same dealio, I'm going to pull that button on the bottom, I'm going to bring this up, and then while I've got it down just a little bit, I'm going to bring this knob up. That's going to allow us to start, and if you look closely you'll see, this is the guide, this is the cutting wheel. So as we go down the guide, the cutting wheel will go down. So from here, underneath here is the power switch. When you turn that on, you can see the cutting wheel is turning, as well as the burnishing brush on the side. So now I'm just slowly going to follow it along. And that's loose. I'm going to turn that off. I didn't get that one tight enough, so you can see it's just chopping that key up. So that's a dead key. So let's try that again with tightening it properly. There we go. Get a little tightness on it. Back to our setting. Set her up. Power going. Turn our power off. Now we can loosen it back up. We're going to turn our power back on and be super careful on this. If you don't have a pair of pliers, all we're going to do is burnish this a little bit. If you let go of it, that key's going to go flying. And we have a brand new key.